Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, I should be doing better than this by now? You work hard, you try to save money. Maybe you even avoid buying expensive things. But somehow, your financial life never really changes. And the scary part, the problem might not be how much money you make. It might be one financial mistake you repeat almost every day without noticing. Because most people think staying poor comes from big mistakes. Huge debt, bad investments, losing everything overnight. But in reality, financial struggles are usually caused by small habits repeated for years. Tiny decisions, invisible behaviors, automatic spending patterns. And over time, those habits quietly destroy your future. My name is Jack, and in this video, we're going to break down the financial mistake that keeps millions of people stuck financially even when they're working hard. And more importantly, how to escape it. Before we start, if you enjoy videos about money, investing, and financial psychology, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's talk about the mistake. The biggest financial mistake most people make is confusing consumption with progress. Here's what that means. A lot of people increase their spending every time their income increases. They get a raise and immediately upgrade their lifestyle. Better phone, more subscriptions, more takeout, bigger car payment, more online shopping. At first, it feels harmless. After all, you worked hard for the money, right? But slowly something dangerous happens. Your expenses rise just as fast as your income, which means no matter how much more you earn, you still feel financially stuck. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it traps millions of people for decades. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine two people making $60,000 per year. The first person spends almost everything they earn trying to look successful. The second person lives slightly below their means and invests the difference every month. At first, their lives look similar. But after 10 years, the gap becomes massive. Because wealth is not built by looking rich. It's built by owning assets. And this is where most people get distracted. Modern life constantly encourages spending. Every app, every advertisement, every influencer. They all convince you that buying more will improve your life. But real financial freedom usually comes from doing the opposite. Spending less than you can afford, investing consistently, and delaying unnecessary upgrades. Now, this doesn't mean you should never enjoy your money. That's not the point. The point is control. Because when your lifestyle grows faster than your income, you become financially fragile. One emergency, one lost job, one unexpected expense. And suddenly everything falls apart. But when you control your spending, something powerful happens. You create margin, and margin creates freedom. Freedom to invest. Freedom to quit a bad job. Freedom to handle emergencies without panic. This is why wealthy people often look surprisingly normal. Many of them avoid constantly upgrading their lifestyles because they understand a simple truth. Every dollar you spend today is a dollar that can't grow tomorrow. And small amounts matter more than most people realize. For example, investing just $300 per month consistently over time can potentially grow into hundreds of thousands of dollars through compound growth. Not because of luck, but because of discipline. And honestly, discipline is usually more important than income. Because financial success is rarely about one giant decision. It's about small choices repeated for years. So, let's summarize. The financial mistake keeping most people poor isn't always low income. It's lifestyle inflation, mindless consumption, and spending money to feel successful instead of becoming financially free. The solution? Spend with intention. Invest consistently, and stop trying to impress people who aren't paying your bills. Because at the end of the day, financial freedom doesn't come from earning more alone. It comes from keeping more of what you earn and giving it time to grow. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. And I'm curious, what do you think is the biggest financial mistake people make today? Let me know in the comments.